son of Mr. and Mrs. Manayon and Mrs. Efraimi Villarosa. Bill Arnold Almanucci. Patricia Bravo.
Our females, after satisfactorily
Dr. Maria Judeline Ju Ramos, CISO.
Completed the basic requirements.
Completion ceremony of high school. I am an officer sa high school. Kaya kasagaran, as you step forward, mag-failure ta sa ato ang execution. Pumadagma ta, rise again, and try again. So that you will be one of the successful individual, no? In not only in this community but entire country. Two things, kining duha ka butang, discipline and execution, I always hold in my journey, especially during my studies as working student. When I was in college, I was a working student till I finished my college degree. For how many years? 4 years. I worked to support my study. If you ask, what was my work when I was in college? I was a janitor. And I am not ashamed of that. Because for that, I got my profession for being a janitor. And that work is not easy. You are going to
mga simple, mga maliit na mga kwento, pero parang sa buhi pa ang akong papa. Kinsa may nakadilitag man mawad diri ni pa.
Certificate.
HS alumna class 207, 2000 Buslov Elementary School
that made you who you are today. Congratulations, batch 2025-2026. Thank you.
Wala na sulod ba? Kaya usay na ako atong pikas, no? Yung pumapasok.
Member of Drum and Lyre Corps. To Berlin Queen Vidad. As the grade 8, Nara silver medal for being from SSLG.
Yeah.
Once again, good afternoon everyone. And a bronze medal.
1, 2, 3. Bosse! 2, 3.
Okay, enjoy the moment. Pag-pictorial mo sa inyong mga
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,